Hey everyone! There are going to be a lot of different ways for you to keep track of your online schedule. I just wanted to give you a little demo for how I like to keep track of mine. I find it really helpful when little pop-ups come on the screen, so I like to use Google Calendar. You can see that I already have homeroom set up in here, and something that's really cool about the way I set this up is it's already repeating out into the future for me. So for my next class I want to put in, it's going to be first period, and that's from 9 to 9:45. So I'm going to click on that chunk right there, and I'm going to make sure I adjust this so it says from 9 to 9:45. I'm going to write period 1. Then, instead of just being like, okay, that's it, and then doing that over and over again a million times, I'm actually going to come down here to where it says does not repeat and say custom. Then I'm going to click on Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Not Friday because we have a different schedule on Fridays. Then I'm going to say that this ends all the way over in June. That way I know, oops, I clicked on something. Redo that. That way though, I'll know that it is ready to go and it'll keep reminding me as long as I need it to. Then I'm going to say done. Let's say I don't want it to be the same color as homeroom so that if I'm looking at it at a glance, I can see the difference between them obviously. I'm going to go save. I'm going to right click on this and let's say I want to make it this purple color. I can then say this and following events. So that means all of the ones that come after this as well will all be purple. Then depending on how you have your settings in your Google Calendar, this should allow you to get little notifications for each little chunk of time. You can also do things like add in descriptions or add in more information to these things. So there's lots of possibilities for what this can look like for you. Again, this does not need to be how you keep track of your schedule. This is just the way that I like to do it. Let me know if you have any questions.